Now we're going to finish up short exercise 17-9, measuring profitability. So the next thing we're going to calculate, or the last thing I should say, is return on common stockholders' equity. Now, no one calls it return on common stockholders' equity. They just call it return on equity. But remember, the key point, it's just the return for common stockholders. And return on equity is also known as ROE. So the formula is, on top are the things that the common stockholders get in theory. Well, in theory, common stockholders get net income, but they do not, because they're common stockholders, they do not get preferred dividends. So we have to subtract preferred dividends. And then we're going to divide that by average common equity. Average common, SE stands for stockholders' equity. So net income is $7,300. Preferred dividends, let's look on the balance sheet to see if they even have preferred stock. So we're going to look in the stockholders' equity. Notice there's only common stock, no preferred stock. So therefore, the preferred dividends are 0 because there is no preferred stock. And average, we're going to divide by the average common stockholders' equity. Now, because this stockholders' equity is only for the common stock, it is all common stock and none of it is, it's all common stockholders' equity, which is right here what we're looking for. None of it is preferred, so we can just average the total equity numbers. So total equity, since it's all common equity, we're going to take 4,900 plus 30,700 divided by 2 gives us 35,800. Oops, I put it in the wrong place. So then we're going to take 7,300, subtract 0 preferred dividends, and divide by average common stockholders' equity. So 7,300 divided by 35,800 equals, and notice they want us to convert it to a percent because they have a percent sign here. So we're going to multiply that by 100, and that gives us 20.391061, and they want us to round the answer to x.x, so 1 decimal. So 20.4%. So that means for every dollar of the thing on the bottom, so for every dollar invested by the common shareholders, there is a return of 20.4%. 20.4% of $1 is 20.4 cents. So 20.4 cents for every dollar of common stockholders' investment. Is that good or bad? Well, let's see. It says, are these rates of return strong or weak? Explain your reasoning. Assume the following industry average. Profit margin ratio 22.8. That's industry average. Ours is a little lower. 18. See, rate of return on total assets 10.3 is average. Ours is 11.5. So ours is a little better. Asset turnover ratio 0.54. Ours is a little higher. So 2 of the 3 are higher. And rate of return on common stockholders' equity 10.3. Ours is, wow, much better, 20.4. So overall, they are strong, considering that average companies present much lower rates of return. So return on equity is a very important one. And this company is doing a great job on that. So that's it.